Royal Enfield has increased the prices of the Himalayan 450. The introductory prices that were revealed last November no longer applies. According to the brand's official website, the Kaza brown paint scheme has received the biggest hike of 16,000 rupees. This model now retails at 2.85 rupees lakh, as against 2.69 rupees lakh. The slate blue and red gets a price increase of 15,000 rupees and is now priced at 2.89 rupees lakh. The prices of the Kumate white and the Hanley black have been raised by 14,000 rupees. With this increase, the Kumate white is now priced at Rs. 2.93 lakh and the top-end Hanley black is at 2.98 rupees lakh. Even with this price increase, the Himalayan 450 is cheaper than the BMW G310 GS and some of the variants of the KTM 390 Adventure. Usually, brands tend to have the highest price increase on the top-end variants, but it looks like the Kaza brown paint scheme is in good demand, and that is why Royal Enfield decided to increase the price by 16,000 rupees.